Feel a lot of layouts in Bangalore should definitely learn from what we people are doing. We will fix these roads ourselves without depending on BBMP and the government.
ನಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಡು, ನಮ್ಮ ವಾರ್ಡು, ನಮ್ಮ ರಸ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ.
Says at Oggatalli Balavide. All right, so the people of this complete layout, including senior citizens, are trying to help. This is before fixing. You see the roads are very clean and very motorized. I guess no other layouts would have done in this way. The people themselves, person in this particular area who've been helping us and all the problems is Somshekhar uncle. Himself came out example for the whole Bangalore. So this is what we need to learn from this particular layout, Kanakagiri layout. Okay, Hormao Kanakagiri layout. And I'm so proud that I'm here in this particular layout. Guys, ellargu namaskaralu. This is Ashish Matthew. Welcome to another vlog. This vlog is about the tragic pain each and every Bangaloreans are facing day by day. Yes, I'm talking about the pathetic roads. Guys, see this. Each and every Bangaloreans would be remembering this, going through this pain when they're going to office, going to hospital and different kind of places. We also are facing in this particular layout, and we, the people of this Kanakagiri layout, Hormao, have decided that we will fix these roads ourselves without depending on BBMP and the government. Yes, we along with the SKNS, that is Kanakagiri Association, have decided that we will fund ourselves and we will fix this road ourselves without depending on BBMP. Sent a lot of messages, lot of information to the BBMP guys, the higher authorities guys. Not even a single person responded. You know, they come and dig, they just go off. But you know, this is the right time. We thought, let us do something which could be great for the society. It could be an eye-opener for a lot of people, motivation for a lot of people. So we are going to fix it ourselves with our own fund. So let's see how we are going to do it. Here's the video for you guys. Check it out. So let's see how the road is. Okay, so this is the pathetic road condition. Let me just show it to you guys. Alright, so recently there were a couple of accidents, couple of kids got injured, senior citizens had broken their legs because of these kind of roads. Okay, I know each and every Bangalorean should be facing this pathetic situation. See this. See this, guys. So we have the General Secretary of the SKNS Association. Okay, so he will be telling us what are the plans for today. How are we going to fix it ourselves? So let's hear it from him.
Namaskara. It's been 3 years we are fighting for the good roads, motorable roads. 3.5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. UGD ವರ್ಕು, ಕಾವೇರಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ನಡೀತಿತ್ತು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ರಿಸ್ಟೋರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಈ ಮೈನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೋಡ್ ನಮಗಿರೋದು ಕನಕಗಿರಿ ಫೇಸ್ 1 ಅಥವಾ ಫೇಸ್ 2ಗೆ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್, ಇದು ಅಪ್ರೋಚಬಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇದೊಂದೇ ಇರೋದು. ಇದಾಗದು 1 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯಿತು, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ರಿಸ್ಟೋರೇಷನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಲೈಕ್ BBMP ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ, BWSSB ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ, ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ಥರನೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಕನಕಗಿರಿ ನಿವಾಸಿಗಳ ಸಂಘ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಶಾಂತಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕನಕಗಿರಿ ಮೈನ್ ರೋಡ್ನ ನಾವೇ ರೀಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತೇನೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಲೋಡ್ ವೆಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ತರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ರೋಲರ್ ಮತ್ತು JCB ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇ ಈ ರೋಡ್ನ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಟರಬಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
So guys, I guess this should be one of the first layouts which are fixing the roads by ourselves. Okay, we have funded it ourselves. SKNS Association and the other association has been helping us. But let me just tell it to you, this should be an eye-opener for a lot of people. A lot of layouts are facing this particular thing. As I told before, a lot of tragic accidents. Kids have broken their legs. Senior citizens have actually injured their head itself, you know, because a lot of kind of, you know, worst incidents have happened here. So we are going to fix it ourselves. Okay, and this is going to be an eye-opener for a lot of people, even for the government as well. So let's see how we are going to do it right. Alright, so here comes the roller with the vibrator. The roller is coming. all the way here. Alright, so there comes the JCB which we have ordered by ourselves. Okay, I'm just stretching it by ourselves. It's arrived.
ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 6 ಜನ ಲೇಬರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು JCB ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಜನ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬ್ರಿಸ್ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡೆಬ್ರಿಸ್ ಗಾಡಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಅದು ಹಾಕಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರೋಲರ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
There you go. It starts. Big hole. So we have covered that, and we are going to fix a stretch of around 350 meters. So from there you can just show it there, from that place, alright, so until the end of this particular road. Okay, so we even have blocked this particular place, okay, so that people won't travel in this particular stretch. So yes, so the operation has started. Important thing, the director of Shanta Krishnamurti organization has actually arrived. We have Krishnamurti sir along with us. Thank you so much sir. Tumma thanks for helping us in clearing these roads, because we had a very tough time. Tumma kasta agittu allinda barakke. So he is helping us. So let's see what you want to talk to us. Yes sir.
ಏನೀಗ ನಮಗೆ UGD ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾವೇರಿ ನೀರು ಹಗದು ಅದು ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಸ್ತೆಗಳು ಅಧ್ವಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಳೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಆದರೂ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅಧ್ವಾನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಓಡಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ವೆಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಓಡಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಅದು, ಜನರ ಅನುಕೂಲನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕು ಜನ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನರು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಏನು ರೈಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಕನಕಗಿರಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನು, ಈ ಕಡೆ RKBR ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನು, ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಈ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾಡಿಯವರು, ಭೀಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಸತೀಶ್ ಅವರು, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಓಂಶಕ್ತಿ, ಸೋಮು, ಮನೋಹರ್, ವಸಂತು, ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಸೂಪರ್.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಡು, ನಮ್ಮ ವಾರ್ಡು, ನಮ್ಮ ರಸ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಸರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ.
We are just dumping the debris and running the roller on it. On top of it, we'll put the wet mix and run the roller multiple times so that it will impact properly and it doesn't go inside.
Right. Okay. So that's what we're doing right now. We are just taking all these debris and then we are covering all the pits. It's not audible, I know that, but that's what even the people here are trying to help. See, even the senior citizen is trying to help people. And that is a great thing altogether. Very good, very good. These are the layout people, senior citizens who are working hard, who are helping the layout to rectify the roads. I guess we should show this to the Karnataka government. Great. The old people are doing it. Great. Right. Lloyd, namaskara. See, this is known as, Oggattalli Balavide. There is a saying in Kannada. Great. The saying which says that Oggatalli Balavide. Alright, so the people of this complete layout, including senior citizens, are trying to help the road. You can just see, they're just taking the debris. We just heard Paddy saying they're just taking the debris, each of them, and then they're just fixing the road. And this is what we need. This is known as togetherness, unity. Great. സാറേ സമ്മതിച്ചു ഇങ്ങനെ തോന്നുന്നു being a senior citizen, he's trying to help people and he's trying to help the layout, and that is a great thing. Bhimaya sir, you're an example for us.
Great. Thank you. I stays in Fraser Town, but I have house here, even though I'll come and work here.
Sir, thank you.
From 11 kilometer I came in the morning.
Superb. Hats off. Sir, one more senior citizen who's trying to help us. Trying to help us in fixing the road. But all we guys, this is known as Oggatalli Balavide. We all are together and we're just fixing the roads. Great. Somu sir, namaskara. Tumba thanks help ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾವೇ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ತರಾನೇ
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೇಬೇಕು ಅದು
ಹೌದೌದು ನಿಮ್ಮಂತರ ಅವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
MLA ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟರ್ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ.
ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಪಾಡ್ ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈಚೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ 50 ಜನ ಬಂದು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, MLA ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು.
ಹೌದು,
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಹಿಂಗ ಐತೆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅಂತ.
One of our big shots, one of our most helpful person in this particular area who've been helping us in all the problems is Somshekar uncle. So thank you so much sir. ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇವಾಗೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Great, thanks sir. A lot of layouts in Bangalore should definitely learn from what we people are doing. Okay, just check out the people of this layout is fixing the road, guys. Can you just believe it? People are fixing it, not BBMP. We are not depending on them. We people have come out and we're just fixing it, and that is a great thing altogether. So really happy to say that this is called as responsibility. We don't want to depend on government because we've been doing it from a very long time. So check this out. A lot of people are really helping us. We all have come together single-handed, and then we're just fixing the road by ourselves, which is great. Krishnamurthy sir, Somshekar sir, everybody are here. Morning I started the video right here, okay, and it was completely holes, completely, it was completely dug up. But right now you can just see the roads are very clean and very motorized. Okay, it is all because of the people of this layout. Okay, they have come together, unity, best example right now. You can just see this. So I guess no other layouts would have done in this way. The people themselves came out, they just cleaned all these things. They brought the JCB and they've just fixed it. So I don't think so. This is the best example for the whole Bangalore, guys. Best example for the whole Bangalore. So this is what we need to learn from this particular layout, Kanakagiri layout. Okay, Hormao Kanakagiri layout. And I'm so proud that I'm here in this particular layout. So we are going to clear until the stretch, probably around 350 meters stretch, which goes until the end of this particular road. We are going to clean it and we are going to fix it. This is the association of this particular area, SKNS Association. Very proud of it, this association. They've taken the responsibility and they're just doing it along with the public of this particular area. So very happy, very satisfied. Yeah, the first half work is done. So all set for the breakfast. We have prepared the breakfast. So let's go have the breakfast now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ತನಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That stretch, yeah. So looks like the food is ready for everyone, uncle. Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾವೇ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಯಾರು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
ಸೂಪರ್, ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇಡ್ಲಿ. Yeah. So even the food has been prepared by us, the layout guys, along with the work, because we started working in the morning 7 o'clock. Okay, and now the food has been started. Say food. So the last part of this particular video, and you can just see this road, the motorized road. We have fixed it. The people of this particular layout have actually fixed it, and you can just see the stretch. It's gone until that end. It's completely cleared. We haven't depended on government. We have actually fixed it ourselves. So I have Satish sir, one of the main persons of SKNS Association, which I'm really proud of, being a part of SKNS Association. And sir is with me. Sir, yes. So please tell about this particular thing. It's a great thing. I guess it's a big eye-opener for a lot of people, a lot of layouts in Bangalore. I guess, yes, definitely.
Exactly.
And I have Naren sir with me.
Instead of waiting for government and the agencies to do their job, we have been doing that for the last 3 to 4 years.
Perfect. And we've been waiting for BBMP's response from so many times. We have tweeted them, we have asked them, spoke to all the higher dignitaries, even then no response from them, which is really sad. So finally we took this last decision of fixing it ourselves. So let's talk to Satish sir about it. Probably, yes, the last thing, and it should be a best example for everyone. Satish sir,
Yeah,
please.
very good morning to everyone. So we are not doing for any show or marketing.
Surely.
We thought that being a senior citizen, I literally accept
Let's walk and talk, because I feel very happy when I'm seeing this road to walk.
holding their leg. I've done everything along with my team. We have a fantastic team, all educated, not only educated, people are working class and software people, a lot of old people, IAS officers, police officers,
Yep.
all are in our team. They are all cooperative. They all give a decision that yes, let us try to fix this road, because this road is very, very bad in shape. I don't know why these leaders and BBMP is so reluctant on us, and there is no response also. Every time they say we'll come and do it, and this is happening since 3 years.
Correct, yeah.
I was 61, now I am 64. I think getting old only.
And one more important thing is we were not able to walk in this particular road, especially in this street. You can just see how good it is now. At least for temporary
these roads
purpose.
are not actually designed for 40-ton truck, 30-ton truck, but they have given it for godowns and all that. We have no comment on that. It is up to BBMP. But accordingly, they must design the road.
That's
But
right.
thing is, this is very, very bad. We never say don't do any progressive work or development work. There is a procedure, there is a technical way of doing it.
Yes.
We are just showing them a sample. This is what even when they're doing Kaveri, we did it. But they are not listening to us. We don't know why. And this is a heavy rainy season. Really, our children, ladies, even not only men
So many
are getting
accidents,
damaged,
accidents in the street. Yes.
not only men are getting damaged, even our vehicles are getting damaged. These days very, very costly. When we are no proper earning in the COVID-19, I thank the SKF, that is Shanta Krishnamurthy Foundation, who have been doing a lot of public social service in this locality. We thank them. God bless them.
Right.
Okay.
Cheers.
Then,
Thank you so much.
I think from this.
And a big thanks to the people of our
People
layout.
of SKNS and all the senior citizens and everyone who have cooperated this.
Definitely.
Thank you very much. I think we try to do our best to keep our locality as a model
Awesome.
locality.
That's
Thank
nice.
you very much.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this particular video was very helpful, and I hope this should be an eye-opener for everyone. Okay, if government is not doing it, let us do it from our side. Okay, and I would like to thank SKNS again, because they have funded it so much for fixing this particular layout. So guys, thank you so much. This is Ashish Matthews signing off until another vlog. I'm happy because this particular layout has become good. We are able to drive two-wheelers, cars and so on very well, and most of all, kids can come out in their cycle now without any problem. So cheers. This is Ashish Matthews signing off. Jai Karnataka Mate, Jai Hind. Bye bye. See you. Cheers.